Good morning students. Today we will start chapter number 2, polynomials. First of all, what is polynomial? Polynomial is an equation of degree 2 or more than 2. This means polynomial is of degree 2 or more than 2. If the degree is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 3, it is called cubic polynomial. This means this is of degree 2, this is of degree 3. Example is px is x square minus 3x plus 4. Example is px is equal to x cube 3x square plus 5x plus 4. It is called quadratic polynomial. It is called cubic polynomial. And the exponent, that is power of polynomial is always whole number. This means exponent of polynomial is always whole number. This means the exponent cannot be negative or cannot be in fraction. After this, polynomials in one variable. One variable means if the equation is only x, this means x square minus 3x plus 2, it is polynomial in one variable, or py is equal to y square plus minus 5y plus 4, it is also one variable. But if the polynomial is like this, x square minus y square plus t equal to 0, then it is the polynomial in three variables. In this polynomial, the variables are x, y and t. In this chapter, we only study the polynomials in one variable only. Exercise 2.1. The sum number first is which of the following are polynomials in one variable and which are not. Question number 1 is, first part is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. It is polynomial. It is a polynomial in one variable because the exponent of these polynomial is always whole number. We write as it is 4x square 3x power 1 7 into x power 0. So it is called polynomial. It is quadratic polynomial. In one variable because the exponent are whole numbers. Second question is y square plus under root 2. It is also a polynomial. It is polynomial in one variable. We write as it is 0y plus under root 2. So it is the exponent power is always an whole number. So it is also a polynomial of degree 2. It is also a quadratic polynomial. In third question, 3 under root t. It is not a polynomial. It is not polynomial because the exponent of t is 1/2. We write it as t power half, which is in fraction. So it is not a polynomial. The question number 4th is y plus 2 upon y. we write it as y plus 2y means 1. It is not a polynomial, because the exponent is means 1. In this the exponent is means 1, so it is not a polynomial. Fifth part is x power 10 y cube plus t 50. It is not a polynomial in one variable, because in this x, y and t are the three variables. In question number second, write the coefficient of x square. In first question 2 plus x square plus x. In this question we write as it x square plus x plus 2 and coefficient of x square is 1. This is the coefficient of x square. In question number 2, the polynomial is 2 means x square plus x cube. We write it as x cube means x square plus 2. So coefficient of x square is means 1. In third question, pi upon 2 x square plus x. In this statement, coefficient of x square is pi upon 2. In question number 4, the statement is under root 2x means 1. We write it as 0x square plus under root 2x means 1. In this, coefficient of x square is 0. In question number 3, give an example each of a binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. That is, we write it as x power 35 plus x square plus 5, and the second is of degree 100, which is x power 100 plus 2x plus 5. These are the polynomials. In question number 4, write the degree of first part is 5x cube 4x square plus 7x. Degree of this polynomial is the exponent which has maximum power, variable which has maximum power. In this, power of x is 3, so its degree is 3. Second question is 4 means second one is plus x. This is quadratic polynomial and degree is 2. It's called quadratic polynomial. In third question, polynomial is x means x cube. We write it as means x cube plus x. So it is cubic polynomial of degree 3. And if we find its coefficient, then no need of this. Sum number 4th is y plus y square plus 4. We write it as py y square plus y plus 4. It is a quadratic polynomial and its degree is 2. The fifth is 3t. Pt is equal to 3t. It is a linear equation of degree 1. This is the solution of exercise 2.1. Thanks.